Looking for the ultimate laser level that guarantees perfect alignment and professional results every single time? Today, we are diving deep into the Milwaukee 3631-21P, a tool designed for contractors, electricians, plumbers, and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and reliability. Welcome to AI Build Pro Insight, where we bring you thorough, hands-on reviews of professional-grade tools to help you make informed decisions and save time on your projects. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews, tips, and demonstrations. Now, let's explore the Milwaukee 3631-21P. Right out of the box, this laser level impresses with its rugged construction, built to withstand the harshest job site conditions. The green 360-degree laser is incredibly bright, twice as visible as standard red lasers, providing clear alignment even in daylight, which is a huge advantage when working on large projects or outdoor environments. The self-leveling feature ensures horizontal and vertical alignment within seconds, eliminating guesswork and reducing the margin of error significantly. Mounting options are versatile, including strong magnetic attachments and standard tripod compatibility, which adds to its flexibility for any workspace setup. The included M12 battery system offers extended runtime, letting you focus on your work rather than constantly changing batteries. This is particularly useful for contractors handling multiple tasks or projects simultaneously, as uninterrupted operation saves both time and energy. Setting up the Milwaukee 3631-21P is straightforward, with intuitive controls that even first-time users can quickly master. The laser's full horizontal and vertical coverage allows for seamless leveling of walls, ceilings, floors, and fixtures, which is essential when ensuring structural accuracy. During testing, the device maintained exceptional accuracy over long distances with negligible deviation, proving its reliability for professional applications. The compact yet robust design makes it easy to carry and transport between sites without compromising on durability. Dust and water resistance further extend its lifespan, ensuring it performs consistently in real-world job site conditions. One standout feature is the green laser's visibility. Green beams are naturally more visible to the human eye than red ones, which makes layout and alignment faster and more accurate, even in bright lighting conditions. Contractors and DIY professionals will find that this feature alone significantly improves productivity. Additionally, the self-leveling mechanism works flawlessly, automatically compensating for slight surface inclinations and providing perfect plumb and level lines, reducing the need for manual adjustments. The Milwaukee 3631-21P also includes user-friendly indicators for battery status, leveling readiness, and error notifications, ensuring you always know the device's condition at a glance. When paired with a sturdy tripod or magnetic mounts, the laser level becomes an all-in-one solution for floor-to-ceiling projects, cabinetry, electrical layout, tiling, and ceiling installations. Its high-precision performance allows for accurate alignment over long distances, which is essential when working on commercial projects or large residential layouts. For professionals who frequently travel between sites, the durable build and protective case make it a reliable companion, capable of handling drops, vibrations, and exposure to dust and moisture. The Milwaukee 3631-21P is not just a tool. It is a time-saving solution that improves efficiency, minimizes errors, and enhances the quality of finished projects. The compact form factor combined with heavy-duty performance means it's portable yet robust, offering the perfect balance between convenience and professional-grade durability. Users will appreciate the ergonomic design, simple interface, and intuitive operation, which reduce the learning curve and allow for immediate deployment. Whether you're installing shelves, leveling ceilings, or setting up partitions, this laser level provides confidence in every measurement. Its 360-degree laser projection ensures you can mark multiple points simultaneously, accelerating workflow and making the tool indispensable for repeatable tasks. Battery life is generous, and the quick-change M12 system ensures minimal downtime even in demanding conditions. Every feature of the Milwaukee 3631-21P is thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of professionals who require accuracy, speed, and reliability. From the bright green beam to the robust housing, from self-leveling technology to versatile mounting, every aspect of the tool enhances your efficiency and confidence on the job site. Whether you are a contractor, plumber, electrician, or advanced DIYer, this device allows you to perform layout and leveling tasks with precision, speed, and ease. For anyone considering a new laser level, the Milwaukee 3631-21P sets a high standard for accuracy, visibility, durability, and usability. It offers peace of mind, knowing your measurements are correct and your projects will meet the highest quality standards. In conclusion, the Milwaukee 3631-21P is an investment in reliability, efficiency, and professionalism. Don't compromise on precision. This tool provides everything you need to execute your projects flawlessly. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe to AI Build Pro Insight, hit the bell icon, and join our community of professionals and enthusiasts who rely on expert reviews for their tools and equipment. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and hands-on demonstrations that keep you ahead in every project you take on. Remember, subscribing ensures you never miss critical insights, tips, and guidance that make your projects easier, faster, and more accurate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.